freaking shredder. Here we go, Carl. Give it a clear. Who's ready for CashUp Jam Hammer now? Everybody, ice over. Big pop, your wall beater. In the game like a Wall Street cheater. Yeah! South African shredder. Yes! Sebastian Anton. Get it. Yo! Felix Prangenberg. Big clip turn now. Ice to Uprail. What's he got down? Represent the hard work, each one is a strength. Represent the hard work, each one. Oh my lord. Last 10 minutes. Godwin doing Godwin thing. Fakie one-handed. Not happy yet. 7 minutes, lads. 7 minutes. Here we go, Carl. We are looking for the most. Oh my God! Murray Louser! Another way! Jordan Godwin! This is a combo. Wrong. This is the mark. It doesn't matter. I told you I'm selfish. This is hammer and nails, baby. This is hammer and nails, baby. Let's do it, 3, 4, 5. Third and final installments of the CashUp Jam. If anyone is over there, grab a beer from me, will you? There? Grab a beer from me, will you? Of course, Sam Jones, lucky president. Here comes Fabi. Oh my God! Give it a clear. Murray Louser. Get it out. Before 15 minutes. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. more minutes. That's all it is, boys. One minute. This is... aus Cologne, fantastica, good-looking people of Cologne. Before we kick things off here with the awards, I want to give a big, massive shout-out to a few people. This was the third installment of Hammer and Nails. The brainchild of Felix Prangenberg, his mates, his family and whatnot. He wanted to create something special. Felix wanted to bring BMX street, BMX culture, music, art, tattooing, everything what he loves, he wanted to have it cramped in this place. So how about you bang your hands together for Felix Prangenberg? Obviously, teamwork makes a dream work. So it's not only Felix, so Felix had a whole entourage helping him this weekend. No matter if it's Linda, no matter if it's Mats, no matter if it's the AbenteuerHalleKalk, all the sponsors, all the guy in the yellow vests, everyone, can I give a brief round of applause, please? Make some noise for Murray Louder! The ledge winner was with an Oversmith Heart 180. Give it up for Fabian! What a trophy that is. CashUp is all about, that's what Hammer and Nails is all about. We keep the party rolling. So how about you bang your hands together for Sebastian Anton?
Zwei Jahre lang vergessen rauszugeben. 2 Jahre lang vergessen das rauszugeben.
Yeah, Sebastian. We saw the women's CashUp Jam behind me on the cliche obstacles, and Linda made sure that it was not only one obstacle or like one session. It was like all the ladies, every single lady who impressed the most throughout the whole weekend. So the mission was accomplished and conquered by one special human being. The sad part is she's not with us at this moment because she's got taken to the hospital. But give it up for Wiebke Vogel! Let's make some noise for Casey Starling!
Thank you. Oh my God.
So sick to have you here.
Dude, I'm so here.
This is the shack.
Keep the noise going.